Welcome to the future, a place where reality blurs with the virtual, a realm where limitless opportunities await. Today, we're diving deep into the metaverse, a digital universe that's not just a concept but a tangible reality shaping our future. Hello, fellow pioneers. I'm thrilled to talk about the metaverse, where innovation meets boundless potential. You see, the metaverse isn't merely about VR games or social media, it's an entirely new dimension of opportunity. The metaverse isn't just a buzzword, it's a booming market set to revolutionize industries, estimated to reach trillions of dollars in value in the coming years. And here's where it gets exciting. Understanding the metaverse isn't just about exploration. It's about seizing opportunities to thrive, innovate, and profit. That's why I've developed a comprehensive step-by-step guide on navigating the metaverse, crafted to empower you to leverage this phenomenon and profit from its vast potential. In this guide, we'll delve into the intricacies of metaverse development, from understanding blockchain and NFTs to creating immersive experiences and monetizing virtual assets. Imagine being steps ahead, having the knowledge to craft and monetize your digital assets, or even shaping the future of commerce, entertainment, and social interaction within the metaverse. Think of it as a roadmap to success in this evolving digital landscape, designed to equip you with the tools and insights needed to stay ahead of the curve. This guide isn't just information, it's a blueprint for success, offering insider strategies, industry insights, and expert guidance that only a select few possess. I've poured my expertise and experience into this guide, aiming to empower individuals like you to thrive in this digital frontier. So, if you're ready to step into the future and claim your stake in the metaverse, click the link below to access the ultimate guide to profiting from metaverse development. Don't miss out on this opportunity to transform your understanding of the metaverse into a profitable venture. Click the link and embark on this incredible journey today. Remember, the future is now and the metaverse is waiting for you.